Cash App nightmare, scammed and out of luck? Ever sent money to someone on Cash App only to realize later it was a total scam? We've all seen those get-rich-quick schemes online, or maybe you fell victim to a clever fake selling something you desperately needed. That sinking feeling when you realize you've been tricked is awful, but what about the money? Can Cash App help you get it back? This is a question that plagues many users after a scam. Cash App is a convenient way to send and receive money, but what happens when that convenience turns into a costly mistake? In this video, we'll dive deep into Cash App's policies and explore your chances of getting scammed money back. Here's the reality: Cash App can't guarantee a refund in every single scam situation. There are factors at play, and the outcome depends heavily on how the scam went down and the evidence you can provide. But fear not, there is still hope. Let's break down the different scenarios and what you can do to increase your chances of getting your money back. Common Cash App scams. Fake selling. This is a classic. Someone advertises something online, a hot new gadget, concert tickets, even a pet. You send the money, and poof! Nothing arrives, and the seller vanishes. Investment schemes. Promises of high returns with little risk sound too good to be true, because they usually are. If someone on Cash App tries to convince you of a get-rich-quick scheme, run for the hills, or at least close the app. Fake friends. This one stings a bit more. Someone you think you've connected with online spins a sob story and needs a quick loan. You send some money to help out a friend in need, only to discover it was all an elaborate act. The importance of proof. The key to getting your money back after a scam is evidence. The more information you have to prove you were tricked, the stronger your case will be with Cash App support. Here's what you should try to gather. Screenshots. Take screenshots of any communication you had with the scammer. This could be messages within Cash App, emails, or even social media conversations. Proof of fake listings. If you were scammed through a fake online listing, try to grab screenshots or capture any details about the listing before it disappears. Transaction details. This is a no-brainer. Keep all the details of the Cash App transaction, including the date, amount, and username/hashtag of the recipient. Reporting the scam. Once you've gathered your evidence, it's time to report the scam to Cash App. Here's how. Open the Cash App, navigate to your activity section, and find the suspicious transaction. Report the issue. Tap the three dots next to the transaction and select Report an Issue. Explain the situation. Clearly explain what happened and why you believe it was a scam. Attach any screenshots or evidence you've collected. Cash App's decision-making process. Now comes the waiting game. Cash App will review your report and investigate the situation. They might contact the recipient to try and recover the funds, or they may involve the card network associated with your payment method, if applicable. This process can take some time, so be patient. The not-so-great news. As mentioned earlier, Cash App can't guarantee a refund in every case. Here are some situations where getting your money back might be less likely. Friends and family. If you sent money to someone you thought was a friend or family member and it turned out to be a scam, Cash App might be less likely to help. This is because they view person-to-person transactions with a level of assumed trust. Delayed reporting. The sooner you report the scam, the better. If you wait too long, Cash App might have a harder time tracking down the funds or gathering evidence. Insufficient evidence. Without strong proof of a scam, Cash App might be unable to recover your money. This is why gathering screenshots and transaction details is crucial. Protecting yourself from future scams. Here are some tips to avoid falling victim to Cash App scams in the first place. Be wary of unrealistic offers. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't be tempted by unrealistic investment opportunities or deals that seem too cheap.